3 minus 3 gives us 0. 9 minus 9 gives us 0. 0 times 0 equals 0. But 0 is not. Correct answer. We have a mistake. What mistake? Because we have subtraction, multiplication and subtraction. We have to respect the order of operation while solving this question. Here is multiplication, which will be our priority to handle this question. According to PEMDAS parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Parenthesis, no parenthesis, exponent, power, no power in this question. Multiplication and division. Multiplication is there. Here you are looking multiplication. So 3 minus 3 times 9 gives us 27 minus 9. Solve this one because it is at left. We will have minus 24 minus 9. So we will get minus 33, which will be our answer for this question. Thank you.